Hi everyone! Today I'm going to present the current game level I'm working on, though it's still in progress. And unfortunately, I won't be able to show the entire process of its creation due to system crashes and lagging issues which have made development a bit difficult. Despite these challenges, this game level is based on an idea I'm currently developing and some elements of environment were inspired by the settings seen in Disney princess stories. Though they are not exact replicas, I've taken inspiration from their magical and detailed atmosphere while incorporating my own creative touch. Although I can't fully showcase the process, I'm doing my best to bring this idea to life. I'm committed to improving the level, ensuring it's aligned with my vision. Despite the technical difficulties, I remain motivated to create something visually engaging and well designed. Thank you for watching.